Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 32, and we're diving into web development with Flask. In this video, we'll cover setting up a basic Flask application, creating routes and handling requests, and templating with Jinja2. Let's get started. Flask is a lightweight web framework for Python that makes it easy to build web applications. Let's start by setting up a basic Flask application. First, make sure you have Flask installed. You can install it using pip. Once Flask is installed, create a new file called a pp.py. Open a pp.py in your text editor and add the following code. This code sets up a basic Flask application. The @app root / decorator defines the home root, which returns the string a hello, Flask, when accessed. The app run debug = true command runs the application in debug mode, which is useful for development. Now, open your web browser and go to http://127.0.0.1:5000. You should see a hello, Flask, displayed on the page. Next, let's create more routes and handle different types of requests. Routes in Flask are defined using the @app root decorator. Let's add a new route that handles a GET request. Update your app.py file with the following code. Restart your Flask application and go to http://127.0.0.1:5000 about. You should see this is the About page. Flask also allows you to handle different types of requests, such as post. Let's create a form and handle form submissions. This code creates a route that handles both GET and POST requests. If the request method is POST, it retrieves the name from the form and returns a greeting. If it's a GET request, it displays the form. Flask uses Jinja2 as its templating engine, which allows us to create dynamic HTML pages. Let's create a template and render it. First, create a folder called Templates in your project directory. Inside the Templates folder, create a new file called index.html and add the following code. Now, update your app.py file to render this template. This code uses the render_template function to render the index.html template and passes a message variable to it. When you refresh the page, you'll see the message Hello, Flask with Jinja2 displayed in the template. And that's a wrap for day 32 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we set up a basic Flask application, created routes and handled requests, and learned about templating with Jinja2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 33. Keep coding and happy learning.